大家好，我是阿勇，
大家好，我是爆米花的阿华。
欢迎收看英台 Express。
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
逐礼拜我会拣一条英语的新闻，互阿华翻译。
And I'll pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English. 阿勇啊，顶礼拜中秋连休4天，恁有出去佚佗无？
无啦，阮较巧啦吼，顶礼拜就算起来囥啦。
算起来看啊，是哦，是安那惊塞车是毋？
嘿啊，当然啦。
哦，咱来看即条新闻是大家惊塞车，毋过无影有塞车咧。哦，来，中秋连休4天。
Over the 4-day Mid-Autumn Festival weekend,
南北二路观光景点照讲拢爱逛滚毋则着。
around the island, tourist attractions would normally be buzzing with visitors.
毋过，梨山的番仔甲民俗煞心内热爱。
But Pear Mountain street vendors and innkeepers were dismayed,
讲10外冬毋捌看到中秋节这无人。
saying that they have not seen such a quiet mid-autumn holiday in over a decade.
原来是网络一张相片咧流传。
As it turns out, a photograph had been making its way around the web,
翕到去梨山的第14號架線，塌甲雜通通。
showing the Highway 14 to Pear Mountain with bumper-to-bumper traffic,
連鐵馬都軟無芳。
with even cyclists unable to find a way through the jam.
看到遊客規氣光鐵馬行上山，
Some even totally gave up, opting to carry their cycles and walk.
民眾互即張相片驚一個，緊敲電話甲房間取消。
Astonished tourists scramble to call and cancel their hotel bookings,
退房率強要3成，
with almost 30% of bookings being canceled.
煞毋知做開何首即張相片，竟然是2011年翕的。
Who would have guessed the offending photo was actually taken in 2011?
一張舊相片害規個梨山做無生意，在地攏講毋敢相信。
Could one photo have so devastated businesses across Pear Mountain? The locals say they find it hard to believe.
真恐怖呢！你看现代的科技，互假消息一个骗就骗着遐济人。
是啊，毋过我看这应该算是假新闻尔吼。啊，若是科技的问题，就搁较恐怖啦。啊，我看有一条新闻讲，你若摕100只手机啊，即条拢无车的路哦，啊，你就会使骗 Google Maps 吼，伊是踢甲10钱钱。
所以咱着爱注意网络的假新闻、假消息。你要分享分享进前，着爱加减啊查证。
阿华，你拄则讲迄个公滚对无？
对，
毋过我应该较接听到，应该是枪滚啊，即两个敢有啥无共？
我家己嘛是较常听到枪滚啦。主播照安尼讲，我着甲照写啊。字典显落去，才知影讲，原来台湾话滚有遮济种。来，我一个念哦，有叉滚、刺滚、刺滚、车滚、枪滚、滑滚、乱滚、龙滚、噗滚、哈滚、嘎滚。get it 咯？啊，亲像我拄则讲，踢甲杂通通，阮兜就是安尼讲的。啊，你讲踢甲杂尖对无？嘿，啊嘛，这嘛是共款是踢，拢有无共款的讲法。啊，即个杂就是，比如咱讲，你若要讲一个人讲，你就讲伊杂头啊，水管内底塌掉咧袂通，迄就是水管杂白。讲梨山的民俗甲番仔拢做无生意啊，千万爱念互正确哦，毋通讲梨山的番仔拢做无生意，迄是对原住民朋友无尊重的一个称呼哦。番仔就是卖物件的人啦吼。古早台湾就农村社会，大家较无机会通出门，所以伫外口来往旅行的人，就是干那做生意的番仔。所以古早若讲番仔经，其实就是即马讲的女社。
哦，女社。啊，民俗甲女社敢有啥物无共？
民俗是差不多最近这20冬才有咧用的新词，应该是对日本遐过来的啦。若正经要讲民俗甲旅社有倒位无共，应该讲民俗就是 Airbnb， 旅社就是 hotel。咱讲话番仔因做无生理，心内业爱，这嘛是一个真古早味，我头一遍听到的词。莫惊，因为业甲爱其实这两字跳分开，大家应该拢听有。哀就是哀愁嘛，哀伤嘛。这字业其实就是藏起来。比如讲阿母做包仔做规大盘，你偷偷甲业一粒起来，去边仔偷偷食安尼业一粒。
所以是 hidden sorrows 安尼意思吼。
就是心内藏悲伤，就是心内业哀。
梨山是台湾的观光景点哈。我即礼拜新闻就是伫意大利的观光景点大家应该有听过即个城市叫做 Venice。
威尼斯是毋是大家出门就爱坐船，定定饮水迄位？
对，定定饮水，毋过打饮袂过饮水咯。
好，咱来看即条新闻。
Venice holds back the water for the first time in 1200 years.
1200冬来头一摆，威尼斯甲海水冻起来。
For Venetians who live on the ground floor, every time the city faces acqua alta, the regular flooding caused by high tides.
住一楼的威尼斯人，见摆若8楼，见摆就饮水啦。
They must raise everything off the floor, including furniture and appliances.
因就爱甲逐项物件、家电、家具在内，拢总刷悬，袂用你放涂骹。
Otherwise, they risk losing it to the flood.
若无凡世会流去。
But on October 3rd, with a 135 centimeter high tide forecast,
毋过10月初3即摆，虽然预报讲8楼135公分悬，
which would normally see around half the city under various levels of water.
照讲半个城市深深浅浅，加减拢会淹着水。
When the flood sirens went off, they did nothing.
即摆大家听到淹水警报的水雷声，煞拢留神在在。
Saturday was the first acqua alta of the season for Venice.
拜六是威尼斯即季头一摆淹8楼水。
And it was also the day when, after decades of delays and controversy and corruption,
嘛是经过几十冬的耽误、冤家甲贪污了后，
the city finally trialed its long-awaited flood barriers against the tide.
一个城市等真久的风阴障壁，总算会用你汽车来挡海水挡看卖咯。Acqua alta 听起来无像是英语呢，安尼直接摕来用敢对？
嘿，因为有的人认为台语无应该直接摕英语日语摕来当做台语嘛，对无？
亲像即支足侪人就讲即支你着爱讲遥控器，袂用你讲 remote 控。
remote 控的 remote controller 嘛，remote con。毋过你看英语嘛有咧安尼使用若即届就是 acqua alta 嘛，acqua alta 其实意大利语嘛。但是阮就直接摕来使用嘛，你嘛听有啊。
新闻定定又搁拄着外国地名，大家无惯势听台语来讲的外国地名，亲像咱即边讲意大利的即个城市威尼斯，毋过咱若是念意大利的原文，听起来是安怎？
所以英语是 Venice 嘛，伊原文其实是 Venezia。
所以嘛是两项，咱观众朋友家己来选啦。若是你认为讲威尼斯这3字的汉字，伫大家心中已经有一个足重要的地位，安尼你就照念威尼斯无要紧。你若是要对意大利原文讲的 Venezia，安尼咱台语家己斗一个新的翻译名，你就甲伊讲叫做譬如美内奇亚。
嘿，袂内气啊，
嘿，维内奇亚，意大利的城市维内奇亚，遮定定咧饮水，吼，安尼较活意大利的原音，大家应该嘛是加减啊听有啦。
嘛真好啊，啊，袂内气，我嘛听有啊。
If you enjoyed watching this episode of Indai Express，
会记得二赞、订阅，啊个分享哦。And if you have any suggestions for news that you'd like to see us translate，
免细字，做你的下骹留话甲阮讲。
再会。
See you next time.